Good morning, friends. I welcome you to the second video of mine, wherein I'm going to introduce you to the world of data mining, and we would proceed towards it by understanding certain concepts behind it, certain facts behind it, certain things which have been introduced, and certain points which were learned during the process of my own learning and questioning some of my mentors, both from India as well as the other countries also. So here again, before I can proceed further, I would like to thank Neeraj sir, Jason, and then Ian from Wakaito University. Then Jason is one more person who really helped me out to understand, and my interactions with him continuously on data mining and really helped me and opened my eyes to understand the world of data. So I also welcome you all to the awesome world of the data, and with this let's enter and the zone or the den of data mining and try to understand what exactly it is and how to proceed further. So in this, my first few questions which I started, and the same thing I'm sharing it with you also, is the fact that how data is going to be helpful in my analysis. Now, you see, we all have attended the workshops on AMOS, or let it be on Smart PLS or Adanko, or some other workshops on regression, SEM, and model fitness, or we understand the pathways also side by side. Now, before we can proceed further with all these things, or when you are learning these things also, I would say that you came across the certain I would say again words like AFI, GFI, TLI, RMSE. Now, it was very easy for us to see that yes, these are the ones, these are the numbers, and this is how I need to understand, and we proceed further. However, what exactly is goodness to fit in my model? What exactly is AFI, TLI, and RMSE? So you will see that before even we can talk about these concepts, there are certain things, certain points, certain concepts, certain theories behind it, and this is wherein data mining comes into the picture. And you will see that yes, this is how data mining is going to be helpful for us to understand more about our own data before even we can proceed further towards the world of regression or SEM, or even knowing about your own models also. Then the second thing that really I would say raised doubts for me is what are the various techniques that are being used in data mining. So I saw that, and I'll be sharing it immediately after this particular video of mine, the mind map of the entire data mining algorithms that we can learn through machine learning. And you will be surprised that when I saw certain things, and which I'll be sharing it, I'm not going to point it out right now only. I was wondering, if these are the ones in data mining, then what am I going to do in my data analysis thing, and what is the difference between these two things? Then what are the various tools that are being used for data mining? Now, that is also something that I really wanted to know, and see whether we have got again free and open sources on one side, and on the other hand, I would say that there are paid softwares also which are available for data mining. So as I was trying to enter and try to know what are the major tools which are present for me, I was given a list of the tools, and I was wondering, wow. So it's not just SPSS version 26 or 22 or 23 that we are going to focus upon. We are not just talking about AMOS, we are not just talking about Smart PLS, we are not just talking about Excel. Now we are going to move one step ahead. Now when I say one step ahead, I am going to introduce certain macros, certain processes which are being introduced immersed into the world of data mining, which will make you understand more about the data. The next question is, can I use data mining for qualitative and quantitative research or not? Now, you see, we are in that particular time where we are not just focusing exclusively on qualitative, and we are not even focusing exclusively on quantitative research. This is something which we are more into that domain of mixed methods, where we combine part of this, part of that, and then we are presenting our results. So here you will be seeing more about these things also, and you can enrich your own research scope and go proceed further. And these really make you wealthy in terms of your data analysis. Now, as I proceed further from one topic to another in data mining itself through machine learning, when we see the connections for the basic concepts like try to understand about data, understanding data through algorithms, then what is the difference between algorithms and models that we have got, and how to know more about it, what are the different techniques that are used for the analysis and helpful in our research at the level of the data mining. I'm not going further for data cleaning or data processing. We will talk about it. Or does that mean that data mining includes all these things also or not, is something that we need to understand. Then how data mining is going to be helpful for me in making certain decisions. That means that I have reached to help out decisions for myself in my research, either for my own studies, higher studies, or it can be for the publication, or if you are planning to help somebody, let's say for a bank manager, or I would say a company CEO, a CFO, that how the decisions are going to be helpful for them and how they can proceed further. And you will see there are so many papers which I would be again introducing, and we will be going through those papers also side by side to understand and make our life much better, to see that yes, they are helping us a lot in making the decisions, as well as the after decisions. Definitely yes, it's not just the decision, I would say it's even making the predictions. Now, what kind of predictions these are is also something that we need to understand and proceed further. And are they different, or are they going to highlight something new? So there are other points also which you would be seeing as an I'm proceeding further in my different slides or in my presentation only. And my own papers, I would say number one, or while I'm guiding my own students who are doing the research, I would be showcasing the with their approval from the universities or the other one, and I'll show you the steps wherein these things really helped us to identify certain things. That yes, especially for some of the countries where the data really is not available for their own studies, and then we can go ahead. Now, the next question which I forgot to present it out here is that now what domains of knowledge is data mining going to cover? So you will see that yes, data mining is not restricted only to the Department of Management, and I cannot restrict myself to commerce, finance, economics, let it be social and humanities, arts also you can use them. And we will see and you will be amazed to find out that yes, there are so many techniques which are available, and you can use them to law, to legal studies, then I would say criminal studies, then we have got mass journalism and mass communication, film studies, documentaries, then you can enlist engineering. Definitely yes, they've been helpful. Then you have got the pure sciences, applied sciences, then different engineering studies are also there. Then definitely yes, I have got computer sciences, information technology, you name it, pharmaceuticals, medicine, you see, radiology. Now I'm seeing that there are my own journey from past 6 months, which I was totally focusing exclusively on data mining, and I tried to read those papers, and I have seen that yes, they have not stopped with just one. Now it's not just the machine learning. The next one more area where I'm focusing upon is artificial intelligence, and you will see that data mining has a lot of contributions towards the artificial intelligence also side by side. So let's begin our journey to understand all these things in these particular videos of mine, and you will be amazed to see that yes, you name the problem and you have got the solution in front of you. With this, I'm going to end this particular video walk of mine, hoping to see that yes, all of you will join me up in my next video. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.